Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and perform tasks just like humans. How would that affect society? Would it be a boon or a bane? Welcome to a fascinating exploration of artificial intelligence, a technology that is already reshaping our lives in myriad ways. Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue software with the ability to analyze its environment using either predetermined rules and strategies or patterns it discerns itself through learning. It's about creating machines that mimic human intelligence, and it's a field that's evolving at a breakneck pace. AI can be categorized broadly into two types: narrow AI, which is designed to perform a narrow task such as voice recognition, and general AI, which can potentially outperform humans at most economically valuable work. Deep learning, a subset of AI, uses artificial neural networks to simulate human decision-making. Now you might wonder, how does AI work? Well, it works by combining large amounts of data with fast, iterative processing and intelligent algorithms. This allows the software to learn automatically from patterns and features in the data. An AI system needs to be trained. During training, AI gets fed huge amounts of data and learns to make connections. For instance, showing a system thousands of pictures of a cat and telling it, "This is a cat," helps the system recognize what a cat looks like. AI has a profound impact on society. It's changing the way we work, live, and interact with each other. From self-driving cars and drones to voice assistants and recommendation systems, AI is everywhere. It's revolutionizing industries, improving efficiency, and making services more user-friendly. However, AI also raises complex questions and challenges. What happens when AI makes mistakes? Who is responsible? Will AI take over jobs? These are some of the ethical and social issues that society grapples with as AI becomes increasingly prevalent. To summarize, artificial intelligence is a rapidly advancing field that involves making machines think and learn like humans. It works by crunching vast amounts of data and recognizing patterns. While it offers immense benefits, it also poses significant challenges. It's a double-edged sword that can either enhance our lives or pose threats, depending on how we use it. In this digital age, understanding AI isn't just an option, it's a necessity. So as we continue to navigate this brave new world of AI, it's crucial to stay informed and engaged, to ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly and for the benefit of all.